Sorry if you can hear my washer in the background. But at any rate, hello, my name is Krissy and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, hello. I typically film beauty, lifestyle, and entertainment content. And this week we are doing a little bit of beauty. I wasn't going to upload this video, but I'm kind of digging my hair now. So I attempted to do a faux goddess lock bob situation. And I don't think that I did that great of a job to post a tutorial, but if you guys are interested to see kind of like what I did wrong or how I could do things differently, please let me know in the comments below, because overall, like at first, I didn't like the hairstyle at all. But, you know, after I've been wearing it for about a week, it's starting to grow on me now. So I'm like, okay, maybe I can post it and just kind of see how you guys react to it. So if you like it, please like it. If you don't, sorry. And yeah, so let's get into it. And so today we're in my bathroom, of course. And you know, when we're in my bathroom, we're about to do my hair, or maybe my makeup, but today we're doing hair. And so I'm attempting to do some faux locks. Maybe I'm wanting to do a bob, and I'm going to see how it turns out. But if it doesn't work the way I think it's going to work, then it's just going to be a regular faux lock situation. So I already braided my hair to cut down on time, because I'm trying to get my videos to not be so long. And to do that, I'm like, you know, let me just go ahead and braid my hair. And I did it, and when I did it, it wasn't really the best time for me to film anyway. So but to braid my hair, I used this Shea Moisture red palm oil cocoa butter curl stretch pudding. I, not for any particular reason, I just used it to just moisturize my hair, because it was kind of dry when I got started, so I just needed. And I used this particular one because I was out. I was about to be finished anyway, so I was like, let me just finish it off and toss it. And then on my parts, I don't know if people actually do this still, but I know my mom used to grease my scalp, so I used a little bit of the Super Grow hair grease. Get it from my beauty supply. I use it on my hair. I use it on my daughter's hair, and I don't have any complaints. I don't know why I do it. I just know that I've always been taught to, so it works for me, and it works for my daughter as well. So, you know, I figured since it's still pretty cold outside and I don't want, you know, my scalp to get all dry. So the next thing I use is a new product for me. I've been seeing this particular gel like being used a lot out here, and so I just used it on my, you know, just kind of braid my hair down. And then I also use this edge wax to use it on my edges. I didn't really style my edges yet, but yeah. The next thing to install the hair. Oh, the hair. So I got 3 packs of this Boho Kinky Junior Freetress hair. So I'm not sure how much hair is in here, but I got 3 packs, and hopefully that's enough. If not, we're gonna make it enough. Y'all know, y'all, if you know, you know. Okay, so we got this. I'm gonna use this to wrap the hair, and then I have my crochet hook. I also have some rubber bands because I'm gonna try, like I said, I'm gonna try to make it into a bob. So I have to kind of finagle the bottom part of my hair so it can be up. And then, of course, you know, I use a rat tail comb to part my hair, and then I think that's it. I don't plan on burning the ends because I didn't use any extra hair to braid my hair. I don't want to burn my hair off, so I'm gonna figure out a way. Oh, I'm following Blake Jael's tutorial pretty much like verbatim, so I'll link it down below in the description. And but I kind of don't know what I'm doing, so first I'm going to figure out my whole process, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys, you know, kind of talk you guys through what I'm doing. So give me a moment to get started, and sit back and enjoy yourself.
All right, so we've already done like half of my head, but I was a little stressed because things were just not working as well as I thought they would. So, um, what I ended up doing was I separated the hair, and then I used my crochet hook to crochet my hair to the braid, um, right at the scalp. So you see me, I'm separating the curly hair. I feel like that I didn't use enough hair um, on each faux loc, but you know, watching things back, hindsight is always 2020. So you see me crocheting the hair, and I kind of let the second piece end around where my hair stopped, or how the length of my hair, and then as you see, I am wrapping the strands around my braid. And this is where I feel like I didn't use enough hair because they're kind of small, but I actually like it. That was kind of the look I was going for, but I feel like I should use just a smidge bit more hair. So the next time I try this, I'll probably end up using a couple more strands of hair. So when I got to the end, why am I not in the frame? Anyway, when I got to the end, I just kind of looped the excess hair around, flipped it up, and just wrapped it going upward. So that way I don't have to burn the ends of my hair, because I really was trying to refrain from doing that. And it worked out. It's working pretty well. Like, I don't have any things, like it's not unraveling or anything. And I just kind of used my hands and rubbed it together. So I'm going to show you guys again. I am crocheting the braiding hair through my braid. Oh, I think this one I actually, yeah, so I actually did a double situation here, but I ended up not doing it for a lot of the other twists, or the other locks as well. And I'm just kind of doing the same process, wrapping it, and then I'm going to also flip the ends and wrap it going upward as well. It's a pretty simple process. I think you just have to know how much hair that you need for the desired look that you want. And since I was going for a little bit of a more natural look, I used a lot less hair than I normally would for my locks. But I think the next time, if I decide to do it, because I might just go get it done, um, I will probably just use just a smidge bit more hair. So on the next lock, I am crocheting the hair through, after separating the curls, of course. And then I'm going to wrap it. And then you'll see me flip the hair, going upward and wrapping it going back up that way. I didn't do a great job filming. Like I said, I didn't really intend to upload this, but I just kind of wanted to see if there was anyone who can help. I've been watching other videos. Like I said, I follow Blake Giles. I'll have a video linked in the description. But I was like, oh well, let me just see how this footage came out. And I like the footage so far, and I think that it's good for everyone to see that even we struggle, YouTubers, we struggle just like everyone else, trying to DIY some of these styles. But I ended up liking the hairstyle a lot. It didn't really last long. Granted, I'm not a professional, so I didn't really expect it to. I just kind of needed something to do for a little bit, as with my hair, I should say. But I love this style. I like seeing it on everyone else. And yeah, so I didn't really record the back. My camera ended up dying. So I didn't really get the backside, but I pretty much did the same steps all over my head, and then I ended up using the rubber bands to kind of tuck the hair in to give me more of a bob look, which I actually really like how that came out. Some of them were a little long, so I just tucked it after I wrapped the locks. And then some of them I did prior to. I wish I would have got that footage, but like I said, I'll link Blake's video, and I pretty much follow her same steps in flipping the hair or tucking the hair to achieve that blunt bob look. So, but yeah, you guys can keep watching. And thank you so much. I didn't really record an outro, so thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, share, and comment, and also subscribe if you haven't already, so you can see more videos like this and other things on my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one.